Hello students, 12th Accountancy, Unit 5, illustration number 20. Vasu and Devi are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. 3:2. That is 3 by 5 for Vasu and 2 by 5 for Devi. They admit Neela into partnership. Neela is a new partner admitted for 1 by 4 share of profit. So in Neela's future share of profit is given. In the 4 share, 1 will be given for Neela in future profit sharing. Neela pays cash rupees 3,000 towards her share of goodwill. Her share of goodwill. So in that case, what does I mean? Neela brought rupees 3,000 amount for goodwill. So this amount will be distributed to the old partners in their sacrificing ratio. The new ratio is 3:3:2. So what they have given mean? The new ratio also given 3:3:2. Pass necessary journal entry on the assumption that fixed capital method, fixed capital system is followed. Fixed capital system mean two accounts will be followed. One is partners capital account, another one is partners current account. Partners current account. So now the goodwill amount which is distributed among the old partners, it will be mentioned in the partners current account only. Partners current account. So you see here the amount which is brought by the Neela. What is the journal entry? In the name of goodwill, bank account debit to old partners current account. Old partners current account credit, because here they have given fixed. So the amount 3,000, the amount 3,000 is going to be distributed to the old partners in their sacrificing ratio. Here the new partners, after admitting the new partner, what is the new profit sharing ratio? That also given. That case, sacrificing ratio we have to calculate it. Sacrificing ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. That is old share minus new share. Old share minus new share. That case, in what form it is given? Mean Vasu is to Devi is to Neela. So now we see here. First we can calculate for Vasu. How much Vasu contributed for Neela? So Vasu's old ratio is 3 by 5. Vasu's new ratio is 3. That case 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So 3 by 8. So Vasu's new ratio is 3 by 8. Now we see here. Both denominators are different denominators. In that case, to have a common denominator, we have taken LCM. So we are going to multiply here 8 in up and down 8, here 5. That case, now we see here 3 into 8 divided by 5 into 8 minus 3 into 5 divided by 8 into 5. So now we got the value 8 into 3, 24 minus 15. Common symbol we can have it because 8 5s are 40, 8 5s are 40. So we got the value 9 divided by 40. We got the value 9 divided by 40. So Vasu's contribution is 9. Vasu's sacrification is 9. The same way we have to calculate it for Devi. So Devi's contribution is equal to what is the Devi's old ratio? 2 by 5. What is the Devi's new ratio? Second one is new. The same 3. That is 3 by 8. So we can place it 3 by 8. So now we are going to have equal denominator to have LCM. That case we have to multiply in top and bottom both say different cross multiplication. So 2 into 8 divided by 5 into 8 minus 3 into 5 divided by 8 into 5 is equal to 2 into 8, 16 minus 15 divided by 40. So we got the value as 1 by 40. Now Vasu's contribution is 1. Vasu's contribution is 1. So now we got that sacrificing ratio is 9:1. Sacrificing ratio is 9:1. So 9:1 based, we are going to distribute the amount rupees 3,000 to the old partners. So what is the journal entry for to bring the cash? The form of goodwill. Bank account debit. How much amount? 3,000 to old partners current account. Who are they? To Vasu's current account. Not capital account, current account here. Because the sum they have specified, fixed capital method. To Devi's current account. Narration you have to write it. Being Neela brought cash for goodwill. So amount, the 3,000, how it's going to be distributed to the old partners. So 9:1. So 9/10. 9/10 for Vasu, 1/10 for Devi. That case 100, 300. 3 into 9, 27. The 20. So 2,700 for Vasu. Then suppose you have 1 mean 1 into 300, 300. So 300 for Devi. So now the amount is distributed to the old partners. Here amount is withdrawn or not, it is not mentioned. So they ask us to pass the journal entry, which is amount brought by the Neela is distributed among the old partners in their sacrificing ratio. It is distributed.